Technique for asking questions in OET speaking. 1. Open question. What kind of exercise do you do? What does your daughter usually have for breakfast? What time does she go to bed? What time did the accident happen? Where does it hurt? When did the pain start? When was the last time you visited your doctor? Why have you come here today? How long have you had the pain? How long has your daughter had this rash? How long have you been on this medication? How long have you had this cough? How often do you brush your teeth? How often do the fits occur? How often do you get headaches? How often do you take this medicine? How many cigarettes do you smoke per day? How many hours sleep do you get each night? How many children do you have? How much do you drink? 2. Closed question. Do you drink alcohol every day? Do you know what eczema is? Does anyone in your family have high blood pressure? Does the pain wake you up at night? Is your daughter toilet trained? Is there asthma in the family? Are you eating normally? Are you in any pain at the moment? Have you had any nausea and vomiting? Have you been taking your medication? Has your condition improved since you started taking this drug? Has there been any change in your symptoms? Can you cook for yourself? Can you put pressure on your foot? Could you tell when you first noticed their rash? Could you open your bowels this morning? 3. Direct question. Why have you come here today? How did you injure your leg? What time did the accident happen? When did the pain start? How long have you had the pain? Is it a sharp or dull pain? Does the pain bother you at night? Why do you want a prescription for sleeping tablets? 4. Embedded question. Could you tell me why you have come here today? Could you tell me how you injured your leg? Do you remember what time the accident happened? Can you tell me when the pain started? Could you tell me how long you've had the pain? Could you tell me if it is a sharp or dull pain? Can you tell me if the pain bothers you at night? Can you explain why you want a prescription for sleeping tablets? 5. Encouraging reluctant patients. Sometimes the patient may need encouragement to provide the information. Tell me more about that please, John. Could you tell me more about that, Mary? Please tell me more. Is there anything you'd like to tell me? 6. Probing questions. Probing questions are sometimes necessary to get more detailed or precise information from the patient. What do you mean by that? Where exactly is the pain? You look a bit anxious. Is there anything else that is troubling you? Can you explain exactly why you are worried? 7. Checking understanding. It is very important to periodically check that the patient can follow your explanations and advice. Is that clear? How does that sound? Do you think you can do that? 8. Tag questions. Tag questions are used to confirm that your information is correct, and are a good indicator of confidence and fluency with English. It's your first visit to this clinic, isn't it? You are here to get your blood test results, aren't you? You haven't been taking your medication regularly, have you? You didn't sleep well last night, did you? Your daughter is only 8 years old, isn't she? It is causing you quite a bit of discomfort.